Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm going to show you how I film my videos using the Canon EOS Utility. This is by far the easiest way I've found to shoot my videos with my Canon EOS 4000D and set it up on my own, because my camera doesn't have a flip screen. So first, make sure your camera isn't connected to Wi-Fi. This utility will not work if it is. This will probably look slightly different depending on your camera. Next, connect your camera to your PC with the cables provided. Then turn your camera onto the video setting. After a few seconds, you should see the utility open up on your PC. Click the remote shooting option. A panel comes up which shows your video settings. At the top you can see your battery and the space you have left on your card, and there's an auto manual focus switch to the right. Below that you have some of your video settings which you can change by clicking on them, and in the next panel you can change the picture style. I have mine set to portrait. When everything's as you want it, click on Live View Shoot. This opens up another window where you can see what you're shooting and has various other settings to play with if you so desire. Because my camera doesn't have a flip screen, this is my only way of knowing if my video is focusing correctly. First, I get the camera placement correct and the zoom. Then I put myself in the frame. You'll notice I have Face Live mode set, so it'll follow my face. I click the record button, then I click on the on button on Face Live so that it refocuses. I've found that if I don't do this every time I record, it doesn't always work. Then I move my head around to make sure it's following me before beginning. When I've finished, I just click on the button to stop recording and turn everything off. There is an option to download directly from the camera, but that will use up the battery, and I prefer to use the card. So it's actually quite easy to use this camera to film on your own, if you have a computer. A laptop would be even better. It's especially useful if I'm recording a longer video, because I can take a look at the screen and see how many minutes I've got left of my maximum 12 minutes of video recording time. Just one note though, I have found that sometimes it seems to quit out for no reason at all. This may be because my computer's too busy at the time. I'm not sure, but it's something to keep an eye on. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.